So how do you choose the best mask for your skin? Firstly, you need to consider a few things. The first thing you want to consider is your skin type and the skin conditions that you're currently experiencing. Now remember, skin type is what you are born with. We can keep that in balance, but we can't change it. Whereas skin conditions is ever changing. From day to day, that can change. Skin conditions will be something like dehydration, hypersensitivity, breakouts, congestion, so blackheads, whiteheads on the skin. That's all of a sudden just popping up. Now, when it comes to choosing that mask, besides putting that aside, you also got to think about what is the focus. So I've got an oily skin maybe, and I'm prone to breakouts, and I have this, maybe I'm premenstrual as a woman, and all of a sudden I've got this breakout around my mouth. Then I want to use my purifying clay-based mask that's going to absorb the excess oil. I could also even use that mask as a spot treatment and do it every day until that breakout clears. But then I can also just use the mask as a maintenance treatment, and I do it 2 to 3 times a week as an example. What about if maybe you're going to an event and you want to really boost the hydration level of your skin, you want to help to get rid of redness on the skin, then you're going to use a mask that is maybe a gel, that's hydrating, that also has some vitamins and soothing and calming anti-inflammatory ingredients in. And you would normally do it the day before the event or the morning of the event, because instantly it will boost the skin. Remember that a mask works instantly, and it works more on the superficial layers versus the deeper layers. So as much as you quickly get the result, it's also not long lasting. There's nothing wrong with having more than one mask, where you can have a purifying clay mask for your oily T-zone and you can have a gel hydrating mask for the rest of your skin, because you want to treat different skin conditions at a stage. There's also nothing wrong with maybe doing a full-on purifying mask. You've got an oily skin once a week, and then you also do a gel hydrating because you're oily but you're also dehydrated, and you do the gel hydrating mask twice a week as an example. So with masking you can really play around. I would just always be careful if you have a sensitive skin to go for anything with too much artificial fragrance, because it could potentially sensitize your skin. But other than that, you really can't cause major problems.